So right now, the Bitcoin price for the past couple of days has had an insane run towards the upside, and right now we are cruising at around $52,000, and we are 30% away actually from Bitcoin's previous all-time high, which is absolutely crazy that we have achieved this heck of a move in just like a couple of months before the Bitcoin halving. Even we haven't even started the Bitcoin halving, and right now we are very close to the all-time high. And that is why in this video we will be talking about the recent price action. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin right now, and if so, what are the levels to look out for if you're looking to buy the dip? And also, what are the respective targets and possible bullish and bearish scenarios that may arise in the very short term? So we have a lot to talk about in today's video, and you don't want to miss this update I have for Bitcoin. So as you guys can see right now, we are inside the weekly time frame, and as you guys can see, there is a resistance level right here, and that is at around $52,000 exactly. Let's move closer into the daily time frame so you guys can have a bigger perspective on what's going on. So for the past few days, Bitcoin has rallied towards the upside. We broke above a resistance level right here because it has previously acted as strong resistance right here, which has led to this sharp move towards the downside. We got rejected and moved towards the downside, and then we recovered and broke above this resistance, which is absolutely bullish. And right now we are currently facing yet another resistance level, and there is a high chance we could be seeing a rejection for the Bitcoin price from here. So just be warned, again, this level is at around $52,000, and this is a resistance level. So in the next couple of days we may be seeing some pullbacks for the Bitcoin price as a result of this resistance level for the Bitcoin price. But what if we do see Bitcoin successfully break above this level? What if Bitcoin in the next couple of days breaks above this level and flips that to support? Then that is the bullish scenario that could potentially happen if you do see Bitcoin again break above this level. So what if Bitcoin breaks above this red line? What are the next targets to look out for as an investor? So we're going to be moving into the weekly time frame, and as you guys can see right now, essentially after that, after we break out of this resistance level, the next major resistance is Bitcoin's previous all-time high, which is absolutely crazy because we could most likely see Bitcoin touch its previous all-time high even before the Bitcoin halving occurs, which is absolutely crazy. So this is the general resistance zone, and I believe that this will be acting as strong resistance. So just be warned, by the time we do touch the previous all-time high or this general green zone, just be warned, we could see a sharp rejection for Bitcoin, and we could essentially see Bitcoin possibly tank towards the downside after approaching this level. And as we do enter the halving, we can see Bitcoin have a recovery and move back towards the upside. So just be warned, this green zone right here is a very critical resistance level, and we could potentially see sharp rejections for the Bitcoin price from there. So I strongly advise to not buy when Bitcoin is trading within this zone right here, because we are trying to manage our risk here. But right now, if I am personally looking to buy the dip for Bitcoin today, I would be looking at this level right here, and that is $47,200. Or you could also start to dollar cost average as soon as Bitcoin starts to have a dip towards this level at $49,900. So the possible scenario right here right now in the short term is we could see Bitcoin have a pullback towards the downside as a result of this resistance acting for the Bitcoin price, and then we could see a bounce from this previous swing high right here, and then this is going to be a good level to start to dollar cost average in. If we do see the Bitcoin price continue to move towards the downside, this would be our next target to buy Bitcoin. That is at around $47,200, and then from there I believe that the Bitcoin price would most likely bounce and reverse towards the upside, and most likely break above this resistance right here, like we previously did over here for Bitcoin. The first attempt we got rejected, we moved down, and then we recovered, broke above it, put in a new high, That is what I'm currently expecting. So overall, in the mid to long term, I am feeling bullish for the Bitcoin price, and I believe that the bull market or the Bitcoin halving would be or would serve as one of the biggest opportunities in our lifetimes to make generational wealth. So if you guys would like to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.